Hi everyone, today I want to tell you about a great set of food storage containers. That recently bought this set included 24 containers. It's different size, 6 large, 6 medium, 6 small and 6 extra small. They're perfect for storing pasta, grains, flour, sugar and other dried goods. These containers sell 30 feet a silicone gasket, which helps keep food fresh for a long time. Their material is safe, BPA-free plastic, which is important for health. What I really like is the clear plastic, so you can see what's inside without opening each container. They're easy to clean and stock while saving space in your cabinets. The set also comes with 24 reusable labels, making organization even easier. Overall, I'm very happy with these pushers and recommended this set to anyone who wants to keep their kitchen tidy and store food conveniently.